Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on this channel. In this Python programming for kids, we'll be learning Python from start to end. So this course will be divided into different parts. You can find all the videos in my playlist. So without wasting time, let's start.
So before starting, let us understand what is Python. So Python is an open source, free, high-level programming language used to create web applications, websites, and more. So Python was created in 1981 by Guru Van Rossum and it was released in 1991. So Python can be used for web development, software development, mathematics, scripting, and more. So Python is very easy to use and it contains simple English words so everyone can code in Python. So now let us install Python to write code in it. To install Python, go to Google and search Python and go to python.org website. So this is the official website of Python. You can also write code here. And as you can see that I have already written a code here, so I'll copy it and paste it here and run this code, and as you can see that this code is working. But to get more features, let us download Python. So go to downloads tab, and now the latest version of Python is 3.9.5. To check if Python is installed in your PC or not, go to search bar and open command prompt and type Python here, and as you can see that it is loading and my Microsoft Store has opened. You can also download Python from Microsoft Store. You can download directly from this, but if you are working in Windows 7 you cannot download Python from Microsoft Store because there will be no Microsoft Store. In that case, you can go to the python.org website and download. And as you can see that our installation has started. So run the installation and make sure you check add Python 3.9 to path option. So check it and click install now. So this will take some time to install. Until then, let us go to Python docs. So click this docs button and you'll get Python docs. So you can select the versions, you can select the languages, and you can search a particular topic. So let me open modules topic, and as you can see that there is full information on modules on this website. You can read all the documentation from here. So Python is still installing. Let it install. And as you can see that our Python has installed successfully. So let us close this and now check if Python is installed or not. Let us open CMD and type Python now. And as you can see that now CMD has shown our version instead of opening the Microsoft. That means the Python has installed successfully. If you don't get this text, you can reinstall the application. So to open Python IDE, go to search box and type IDLE. So IDLE means Integrated Development and Learning Environment. So open it and you'll get this window. So this is the Python IDE we are going to use. So we use print function in Python. If you want to write something, you use print function parentheses, and you can use single quotes or double quotes. So now I'll use single quotes here and type hello Python. So let us say hello to Python and click enter to run the code. So I'll click enter and as you can see that the Python IDE showed hello world. So you have written your first code in Python. So now let us try the same thing with double quotes. So I'll copy the text and paste it here and change single quotes to double quotes. And I'll run this code, so you'll get the same text again. You can use single quotes or double quotes to write code. You can also use triple quotes to write code. So I'll paste the print function again, and I'll use triple quotes instead of double quotes here. And I'll press enter, and as you can see that you got the same results here. So let us talk about this in detail in the next video. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share with your friends and subscribe to Atlantis too. I'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.